A day in Sarah's life. Present tense's story. Meet Sara. She is a 15-year-old student. Let's follow her day and see how she uses present tenses. Simple present tense, daily routine, facts, habits. Sara wakes up early every day. She brushes her teeth and eats breakfast. She goes to school by bus. She studies English, maths, and science. She plays badminton after school. She likes reading storybooks. Open book. The sun shines brightly, and birds sing in the morning. Present continuous tense, actions happening now. Right now Sara is sitting in her classroom. She is listening to her teacher carefully. Her friends are writing notes in their copies. The teacher is explaining a new lesson. Outside the window, children are playing in the playground. Sara is paying attention because she wants to learn well. Present perfect tense, actions done already, experiences. Sara has finished her homework before coming to class. She has learned many new words in English. She has already joined the school library. She has visited the science lab many times. Her teacher has taught her an interesting poem today. Sara feels proud because she has improved her English. Present perfect continuous tense, actions continuing from past till now. Sara has been studying English for 2 years. She has been learning new words every day. She has been practicing speaking with her friends since last month. She has been waiting for her turn to read aloud in the class. Her teacher has been encouraging her to keep working hard. Moral of the story. By looking at Sara's day, her daily routine equals simple present. Her actions happening right now equals present continuous. Her completed actions/experiences equals present perfect. Her long actions continuing till now equals present perfect continuous.